Hello and welcome everyone. Most welcome to my Lucent classes. My name is Nitin and in this video we will going to learn about some famous book and author which is released during month of January to August 2020, and we all discussing at least 6 month important book which is very important for your all competitive exam like UPSC, SSC, Railway, Defense. Okay, so please watch this video till end. Okay, please don't leave. So let's start, but before we begin please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because if you not hit the bell icon you will not receive my any updated video. And if you want any notes, so please join my Telegram channel, and also you can join my WhatsApp groups, and you can join by clicking on the link in my description. I all provided all the link in my description, so you can join by clicking on this link. Okay, so let's start. The first is Think Like a Monk. This book is written by the Jessetti. I think most of the people know him, and he is a famous YouTuber and also a journalist. Okay. Now next is The Dharma Forest, written by the Karthik Sridharan. He is also a journalist and blogger. Now next is Akbar, the Great Mughal. This book is written by Ira Monthi. Okay, she is also journalist. Now next is The Art of Her Deal, the untold story of Manila Trump, written by the Mary Jordan. She is also a journalist. Okay, and she is 59 years old. Now next is The Memories and Misinformation, written by the famous Hollywood actor Jim Carrey. We all know him. Now next is Vijayant at Kargil, the life of Kargil war hero, written by the Neha Dwivedi. Okay. Now next is A Song of India. A Song of India, the famous book, is written by the Ruskin Bond. Now next is Mahavir, the soldier who never died. This book is become the bestseller in this month, and this book is based on the 1962 Indo-China War, and this book is written by the author name is Rupa Sri Kumar and A.K. Sri Kumar. Okay. Now next is in The Pandemic Century, written by the Mark Honingsbaum. Okay. Now next is the Karma Yodha Granth, written by the Amit Shah. He is a famous politician and leader of Bharatiya Janata Party. Karma Yodha is basically a book based on the life and work of the Narendra Modi, who is the Prime Minister of our India. Okay. Now next is Sri Devi, the Eternal Skin Goddess, written by the Satyarth Nayak, and this book is based on the life of the Sri Devi. Okay. Now next is Masiha Modi. Masiha Modi, the A Tale of Great Expectations, the written by the Tanveen Singh. She is a famous journalist, and this book is also based on the life and work of the Sri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. Okay. Now next is Invincibles, a tribute to the Manohar Parrikar, written by the author Tarun Vijay, and this book is released by the Defense Minister of Rajnath Singh on 16 March 2020. Manohar Parrikar is a former Chief Minister of the Goa and also a Defense Minister of India, who is passed away on the 17th March 2019. Okay. So guys, this is our today video. I hope you like and understand you all. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button and also comment on my videos. So guys, thank you and God bless you all. Thank you. Have a good day.